In this video, I'll show you how to print using your Canon IV printer with a USB stick, USB thumb drive, whatever you call it. So the printer itself doesn't have any USB port. I mean, not USB-A, it has a USB Type-C, but even if you had an adapter, it won't work. It doesn't have any screen, any interface so you can interact with. So how do you do it? Well, it's quite easy. You'll need to have an Android phone or iPhone or even an iPad or Android tablet. Any of these will work. You'll need first to transfer your pictures that are on the USB stick to your phone. Most phones, like this Android phone, has a USB Type-C port. Even the new iPad has one, and all Android's tablets, the most recent ones. So to connect both of these, you'll need a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. This one is from Apple. It always worked on me. I'll put the Amazon link in the description if you want to get this one. So you just have to connect the USB stick to the adapter and then connect the adapter to the device. Now you need to search on, let's say if it's the Android phone, for an app called Files. On the iPhone, it's called Files as well. So search for that app. So launch that app. And then you need to go somewhere we can see the USB drive connected to your device. Here I have it down below, Data Travel 2.0. These are some folders, and here are the pictures that are on my USB stick. Then in Files, when you found the picture you want to print, just let's say it's this one, just tap the three dots, or if you're an Apple, it's a bit different. And you should move this picture on the device itself. So on your iPhone or on your Android phone. So you can do move to internal storage here. Then in DCIM, camera, and then move here. Now the picture is actually on my device. Now all you have to do is to download the Canon Mini Print app. If you still have the original box of your Canon IV, just scan this QR code and it will direct you to the Play Store or Apple Store so you can download it directly. If not, just search Canon Mini Print from Canon USA Inc. Download it and download it. Meanwhile, make sure that the printer has paper in it and the battery is charged as well. And you can turn it on by pressing the power button 2 seconds until you see the charge here flashing and this light flashing as well. Put this aside. Now we're going to launch the app. You'll have to connect the printer to your phone. If it's not already done, it's very easy. Just tap on this button over here where it says disconnect and then tap on add a new printer. Mine is already there. Yours will appear right over here once you tap add a new printer. Once you have the green icon over here, it means that is connected. I'm going to tap on photo album. And here are all the pictures on the phone, and here is the one that we just added as well. If you want, you can disconnect this from your phone. We don't need it. The picture is on the phone and it will stay there. So you don't need the USB thumb drive anymore. Now all left to do is to tap on the picture. You can arrange it. If you want to zoom in, zoom out. You can put a frame, do many modification, draw on the picture, write stuff. And when you're ready, all you have to do, again, make sure that the printer is turned on with the paper inside and charged. Tap on this top button here and it should work. So let's do it. It takes usually about 20 seconds to send the picture from the phone to the printer. It's loading. And once it's done, you have this message, all images have been printed. You can close your phone and put it away. And you can take the picture. And this is the result. So this is how you print using a USB thumb drive with your Canon IV printer. If this was useful, please leave a like, a comment down below. Also check the Amazon affiliate links in the description if you want to get more paper for your Canon printer, and I will see you in the next one.